Okay, let's go through the codes. First, I created the Git file in my device. It is in my desktop, so I have to first enter my desktop, cd desktop, and then I have to enter the file I want to suppose as the Git repository, local repository. So I write cd git. This is the file I created. So I cd it. In order to tell Git that this is my location in which I want to consider everything inside should be tracked by you, I use the command init git init and enter. It says that you are using the master name as your initial branch, so the main branch we are currently in, the name is master, and we are on this branch. So this directory has been considered as the Git repository. So see how it is going to work if I add files to my repositories. I opened a Sublime text file, and let me write something inside it. This is a new test, and I save it inside the Git directory folder. I named the file new.md file, readme.md, and I save it in the Git folder. So the name is changed to readme.md. After that, I have to give this file to Git. Git can see this file inside this folder, but it has not been added. To Git. So to add this, I write git add the file name readme.md, or instead of writing the file name, you can just use dot. Dot means that add every files that are available inside the folder to Git. So I can just use dot. Look, after you added this, you have to it has to be followed by another command, which is git commit -m and whatever you're going to say. What is this? It means that you have to mention that what you have changed. Why are you adding this file? For example, I said that I created the readme file. Created a readme.md. You can write anything else you want. It's up to you. But you have to just declare what are you doing. So it says that you have changed one file and you have inserted it. Perfect, we are done. Let's see where we are and what has been done. Git status. This is the command that you can use whenever you want to check the status of your Git. It says that you are on the branch master and there's nothing to commit, everything is updated and everything is working clean. The next step is that I'm going to change the content. So I open the Sublime text again and I write new content and I save it. Git status. It says that you have modified this, but you have not added yet. I write git add a dot and let's see the status. Git status. It said that yes, you modified it, but you have to commit it. Git commit m readme.md is modified, and it has done. Status, and yes, we see that everything is working fine. Okay, now you understood that how you can add files to Git. But how we can add new branches to Git? To do this, you have to write this command. Git checkout. Checkout means go to another branch. When you write -b, you mean that I want to create a new branch. So it is waiting for you to drop it a name. I give the name new. My new branch's name is new. So switch, and it will switch to the branch. So I'm currently in the new branch. Let me change something in the code. The new branch contains this code and whatever was inside the master branch. I want to delete this one, or let me add something new. It would be more interesting. Content in new branch. And I save it and I add it to the new branch, and then I commit and I say that modified file in new branch, and so it's done. Please look at the Sublime text. I want to switch to the master branch. Get ready. So git checkout master, and boom, the previous content that we had added is deleted. So it means that this file hasn't been changed in the master branch, but in the new branch we had changed it. If I switch again to the new branch, you can see it. Git checkout new, and you can see that it will appear again. So this is how the branches work.